Carlo Fun. And today we are going to be making my most favorite, I'm so excited, cinnamon buns. Yeah, that is so good. Let's begin. First start with 2 bowls of Co-op's Sensible flour. We divided 6 cups and I'm going to show you why later. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast into one of the bowls, which is the littlest. Now I'm just going to set these aside. Now my favorite wet ingredient, which is also my favorite part of cooking. To begin, crack 2 of your eggs into the wet bowl. On there. Now your next egg. Now 1 tablespoon of Co-op's Sensible vanilla. 1. Half a cup margarine. I grabbed all of it at one time. So cool. Whoa. And next things, there's half a cup of sugar. It's raining, it's pouring, we have sugar that's falling. They poured into the bowl and made some cinnamon buns, and they were so yummy in the morning. Next up, half a cup of water in your cup. Whoa. Now we're gonna just whisk this up. So cool, everyone. We chose to use Fluffiest milk because we love it, and you can get this from Co-op. So, do you know why all your white stuff gets into your whisk? We scalded in 1.5 cups of Fluffiest milk, and I'll pour it in. So guys, do you see this little knob that comes out and the rest doesn't have that? Do you know why? Because in the shape that you put in, it has a little knob too. So this is how you put it on. You put it on at the same part as the little one is. And then you just whisk it right way. And ta-da! But if you put it on like this, whoa, and it makes a big, loud, crash, destroyed mixer. We always twist it. Now we're gonna add first flour and yeast, and now we're gonna pour it in. It looks kind of like an egg, like a eagle's egg, the thing. But when we pour flour in, boom! Yeah, it looks like the cloud. So, since we put it in, now we're going to put it into a mixer, which always asks your girl for help, and I have my daddy. We're going to turn this to 2 and let it sit for roughly 5 minutes or 10. Now we let it mix. Now we're going to add our second batch of flour. That was hard, people. Flour. Turn it back to 2. It makes it now reactivated the gluten. Now we're going to let it rise. It looks like Play-Doh's one. That's what it feels like. Wow. Let it rise for a while. Preheat your oven to 365
75.
75. I said blah, 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 blah. 75. We whisked our dough. Now we're gonna bring this out and roll our dough out with a roll pin. Ugh, it's like a weight. Okay, I'm at number 18 now. Lightly flour your surface. Now take your dough and put it on the flour. Okay, yeah. It's hard to grab it because it's so sticky. This is so funny. This is the cinnamon bun, but straight. And then we're gonna roll it up. Now we're gonna spread some margarine on this. Now use all this brown sugar and spread it on. Sugar attack! We got a cold brown cinnamon. Look how beautiful that is. Now we're gonna roll this up tight. Now I'm gonna get my daddy to cut this for us. Now grease your pan. Make a heart. Now guys, my daddy, see if that's a perfect heart.
Yep.
I'll lay your cinnamon buns out
Evenly?
Evenly. Making cinnamon buns is not rocket science. It's just time consuming. I'm spraying the egg on our cinnamon bun. Egg wash. It makes a really pretty golden glow. It's raining, it's pouring, the cinnamon buns are snoring. They went to bed, they sing the song, and they woke up in the morning being happy and a little bit grouchy. We put them in the oven for 18 minutes. We just took these out of the oven. I love peanut butter and chocolate. Now we're going to dress it up with peanut butter and chocolate. I'm spreading out all that peanut butter. And this one is for my sister. Just rip her. Yeah, that is so good! Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe down below for more family videos. Love you all. Oh, wait.
Don't put it on the glass.